At Power Practical, we love high voltage, shooting sparks, and lighting up the party. After bringing this test of oil to life, we knew it was time to put one in everyone's pockets. Introducing the Sparker, a plasma lighter and flashlight in one. The flashlight is a 1 watt dimmable LED that can run for 4 hours on full bright. The removable lid doubles as a diffuser, transforming the light into a lantern. The plasma lighter uses electricity to create a windproof solution that requires no flame, butane, or fuel. The Sparker is great for any of your outdoor adventures. Lighting your barbecue, around your house, or simply being prepared. Sparker is also USB rechargeable. Please back or share our project and light it up.
Hi, my name is Tony Zentil. I'm from Laguna Beach, California. I grew up skateboarding, surfing, and snowboarding. Then later on I got into riding bikes and dirt bikes too. Keeping everything tuned up is a crazy challenge. I got a bunch of tools in the garage, summer shop tools, summer tools that I travel with that I just throw in the bag. I started having ideas on how to make these tools better. I started making some prototypes, and what I found was that something that worked well for a skateboard tool could also work well for a snowboard tool, where there was another detail that might work well on a bike tool. And what I found was that I wasn't just making one tool, I was kind of making different tools for action sports, which then kind of really just morphed into this idea for a new brand. I have a snowboard tool I'm calling the Powder Pliers. It's got a number 3 Phillips for mounting your bindings, a number 2 Phillips, a slotted screwdriver, and a 4mm for your binding hardware. There's box wrenches for replacement binding bolts. There's a removable sleeve that you can use on the number 3 Phillips to lock it at 90 degrees, which is killer for getting some extra torque on your bindings. There's also an edge file if you need to do some on-mountain file work, which is kind of nice if you need to do an emergency tune. Eero Ettila is a Winter X Games gold medalist. He's riding for Fix and super stoked on the tool. We have a system we're calling the all-time belt, and it keeps the tool always within reach. I also have a skate tool I'm calling the board sword. There's a number 2 Phillips, a slotted screwdriver, and an 1/8" hex bit for your deck hardware. There's even a file to score grip when you're building a new board, so that's great if you're on the road traveling or you're away from your garage. The sleeve has a safety blade to cut your grip, a 9/16 wrench for your truck, and a 3/8" wrench for your deck bolts. The wheel wrench has a nice little bend in it so you can get into deep wheel wells, which is kind of nice. Steve Caballero is a skateboarding legend, and we're stoked to have him on the team. Cab also rides motos and mountain bikes. He works on custom cars and custom bikes, so he's always in need of killer tools. I have a bike tool called the Wheelie Wrench. It's 16 tools in one, and it's also one of the most compact tools on the market. You got all your metric hex bit sizes, torques, and of course slotted in Phillips. There's spoke wrenches. You got a tire lever, a couple box wrenches. There's also a 15mm open-ended wrench, which is great for most BMX axles. Mike Hucker is a top pro BMX rider. He's pretty tough on his bike, and he's back in the wheelie wrench. Hucker totally sends it. Look at how nice the wheelie wrench fits in his 5-pocket pants, and notice that all the tools fit in the all-time belt. Oh, and check out what else the belt does.
Modern life presents challenges. Work, sports, adventures, small things can easily blow out and become big. Talon helps keep the small things small. Made with an advanced composite technology and world-first patent-pending design, the Talon packs 17 tools and features to match in a pocket-sized carry. It comes with metric and imperial wrenches and rulers, box cutter, bottle opener, and standard 1/4-inch Phillips and flathead hex drives. The Talon adapts to your life. Simply swap out the hex drives for your next adventure. Whether you need an Allen head through to Torx, the Talon holds 2 within its body. A flexible elastomer keeps the tools locked in place and ready when you need them. The original socket design allows your hand to be positioned as you would with a regular screwdriver, a feature that many pocket tools don't allow. The Talon is made of one of the world's most advanced composite materials, 40% lighter than titanium and the strength of die-cast metal. Plus, the material tech allows you to carry your Talon without fear of scratching your latest phone or tablet. The Talon can go anywhere you do, and it complies with current TSA requirements for air travel. The Australian designed, engineered and manufactured Talon multi-tool by Tactica. Compact enough to carry every day. Lightweight enough not to weigh you down. Heavy duty enough to get things done. Talon in your hand? Enough said.
Time for a reality check. What's the worst that could happen? If this is your answer, then this is your multi-tool. But if you do real work, you probably want a multi-tool built for real challenges. Gerber Center Drive is the first multi-tool with a full-size standard bit driver on the center axis. That means it drives screws, just like the real thing. And you can interchange your center drive bits with all the bits you already own. Try finding another multi-tool that can do that. Nope. Keep looking. But this is no one-trick pony. Gerber Center Drive delivers a full-size outboard knife with reverse thumb support. And the blade is 30% longer than the competition. It's okay, little buddy. A lot of guys have that problem. Since real life doesn't wait, the Center Drive driver, knife, and pliers are all instantly accessible with one hand. The same can't be said for this one. You also get all the other tools you need, and none you don't. So you'll have everything to fix just about anything. The multi-tool just got a reality check.